What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Bulls of the Wall Trading. I hope everybody had a good Tuesday. This is going to be my watch list for Wednesday, November 1st, 2017. Bulls of the Wall Trading is a channel I created for new traders and just for traders in general, just so we can help people out. So if you have any questions or anything that you want to learn, please leave me a comment and I'll make a video for you. And I just hope that these videos that I'm uploading, I just hope that people are learning from them or seeing the potential that there is in the stock market and investing in the stock market. Before I get into my watch list, as always, I'm not a financial planner or a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing, and I am not being sponsored by any company to do any of these videos. Also, I did not make a recap video today, and I think I'm going to hold off from making more recap videos because I noticed that not too many people are viewing those. I get more views on my watch list videos, so I'm probably going to stop making recaps unless I start getting requests to start doing them again, which if I do get requests, I don't mind doing those. So for right now, I'll only be putting out watch list videos, and then if I decide to do just quick tutorials or just videos with my advice or things like that. So with that being said, let's get into this watch list. And one more thing, check me out on social media. On Twitter, it's at Bulls of the Wall, and on Instagram, it's at Bulls of the Wall Trading. I put my top stocks that I'm watching before the market opens, so please follow me on there so you can get up to the minute information as to what I'm doing, what I'm looking at, and what I'm focusing on. So first stock that I have is MTBC. So it looks like I have a previous line right here at around $3.33. So let's see where that line's coming from. So right here, $3.33 from a previous high. So I am going to leave that line right there. So I'm going to leave that line right there. And for those new viewers and for people that have been watching my videos, you know that I am a momentum trader. So I always try to find the previous day high, the pre-market day, the pre-market high or intraday high, and I draw a resistance line, which would be this purple line. And I just monitor it and hope that with momentum and good volume, the price starts coming up and it breaks through the line that we drew. So for this stock and for all the stocks, we just want the price to break above the purple line. Next one is BW. So it looks like I have a previous line at around $4.43 or 44 cents. Let's take a look. So $4.44, which was a previous high. So I'm going to leave that line there also at 4.44. CPRX, so there's a line at $2.90 and a line at $3. There's a line at $3 because that's a whole dollar and that's a mental resistance point, and there's a line at $2.90 because that was the high of the day. So there's two entry points and essentially an exit point right here close to $3. So it all depends on what you feel comfortable with doing. You might want to get in above 3 or above 290. It all depends what you feel like doing and what works best for you. AMCN, we identify the high of the day at 280 and we put our line right there. MNKD is next one on the list. We identify the high at 355 and we put our line right there. DMPI, this one reached a high of $1.08 and then it just came down to about 89 cents. So it's got a long way to go, but it still had a spike. So I just want to monitor it tomorrow and see what it does before the market opens. GERN, this one spiked up today to 240. And it looks like it ended the day, or actually in the post market it's at 230, so it's about 10 cents to go. So I'm hoping that it can keep moving its way up slowly. Next one that I have is going to be BBG. This is an old line, and I will remove that. So this one's been moving up in the post market, which is good. You can see this big movement right here, and it made highs of 516. So it's moving a lot in the post market. So that might be good news for tomorrow. TAHO. Wow. So this is an old line that I will remove. So it made highs of 486. I would much rather get in at 490. So that's where I'm going to draw my line, at 490. That's just a personal preference of mine. SN, this is an old line. I will remove that. And I will draw my new line at the high, which is at 442. HLIT, this one had a beautiful morning right here. It just gapped up all the way to 375, and it looks like it's hanging around there in the post market, so that's pretty good. We want the price action to hang around where we draw our line, so it's pretty close. It's about let's see, like 15 cents away, so that's pretty good. I like that chart. PDS, we identify the high, which is at 301, and that's pretty good because it just broke the $3 amount, which is the whole number amount. So anytime a stock is close to a whole number, we always want the price to go above it, because that means it's breaking that mental resistance. And E is at 420, so we're going to leave that. FMSA, this is an old line that's not valid anymore. We identify the new high at 436, and we draw our line there. GRPN, this one is moving a lot after the market close, which is a good sign. Let me zoom in. So yeah, it's moving a lot. It's at $4.87, so I'll draw my line there, but I will also draw a line at $5, again, because that is a whole number and that's a mental resistance. So I want to be aware of that if I'm looking at this chart. CHK, this one made highs of $3.99 yesterday, and I drew my line at $4 for the reason that I just mentioned, a whole number amount, so I'm going to leave it there. And WLL, it looks like I have a line at $6.14. Let me see if I can confirm that. Correct, $6.14 right there. So I will keep that line right there, and it looks like it's currently at around 607, somewhere around there. So this one's pretty close there, and it has 25 million in volume, which is pretty good. So I like to trade high volume stocks. That's basically my go-to. So what I do is in the morning, I look at all these stocks that I just mentioned. I sort them by volume like I have it here, and I just focus on high volume stocks. Out of those high volume stocks, I look at the charts, and if I like the chart, I will then make that stock one of my top 4 to 6 stocks that I will be focusing on, and then I run a morning scanner that lets me know the stocks that are moving up in the pre-market. And then I also look at the volume and the chart. With all these stocks combined, I pick the best 4 to 6, and I just focus solely on those. If you want to know those 4 to 6 stocks, and again, I suggest that you follow me on Twitter, which my handle is at Bulls to the Wall, or on Instagram, which the handle is at Bulls to the Wall Trading. I give you guys my stock picks usually like 15 minutes before the market opens, and I let you guys know the stocks that I will be focusing on. So please check me out on there. Please subscribe and like to this YouTube channel if you enjoy these videos. Please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me any suggestions. Please leave me comments if there's anything you want me to go over. If you want me to keep doing recap videos, just let me know. Again, I will be holding off from doing recap videos because I noticed that I'm not getting too many views on those, so I rather stick to what people are watching, which is these watch lists. And I think that's it, guys. I think I'm going to leave it there. Thank you everybody for the support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for the new subscribers, for the people that are following me on Twitter and Instagram. I really, really do appreciate it. That's it. Have a nice rest of your night, everybody, and good luck in the markets tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.